The main outcome was to improve our bottom line. Obviously there's a cost there, but you've got to put that cost out there and endeavour that it's going to return in 4, 5 or 6 years' time. There's a lot of companies out there that want to provide solar to you and they are not locally based. We want to support local people, predominantly because it gives us the ability to make that phone call to them locally and they're here within half an hour. We wanted to do this project once. We don't want to do this project and come back to it and revisit it. We want to do it with quality and move on. I think you've got to be realistic to what the panels and the system's going to produce. And certainly when you get days that are cloudy, the production is very, very minimised. So we've used optimisers, but we've paired it on 2 panels, not individually. And we can see that on our live app of different panels that may drop off, but at least the entire string is performing at a high level. So the optimisers was an additional cost, but when you look at something that's operating 365 days a year, that is soon outweighed by the producers through the system. You need to embrace solar, you need to do your research, and I think the main thing is find someone that you're comfortable with, work with them, and I think you'll find a system that will be quite adequate. We're happy with the system and the install, and we know we'll have a quality product that will be for many years to come.